So here you're going to look at sequence of extraction. I'm going to make it simple so that we just go. Sequence of extraction, it's the mining is stupid. Blocks or panels are often worked in a definite order. In mining practice, there are 4 methods of extracting blocks of ore in a level. We have the advanced method, we have the retreat method, we have the combined method, and we have the simultaneous method. Sorry. Now, let's look at this. If I will change, you can say the advanced method, that it means that you are mining away from the main shaft. If you are mining away from the shaft, it means that you mine this stope before you mine this stope. You are practicing advanced method. So whilst you are going, then you'll be mining. But we have the retreat method. For the retreat method, you go and start from the last end. Now they are bench shaft, So I don't know. We see the last end. Then they create the first stope at the far end. After that, we come. So we mine towards the mine entrance, the main mine entrance. It's say you call Juma, you drew hasia, the same level. You start from the last end. You drill, you blast, you pick your material, you come forward. Next, till you come here. So when you come here, you are done mining. Sometimes you do also to say the advanced method, they advance away from the main shaft. This session. So if you are using the advanced method, it means that whilst you are going, you develop your road. But then if you are using the retreat or the home method, it means that you have to create your road before you start mining. I don't know, but now you should, because I don't know, a chance that when you start, you have to spend money to blast and create this whole road before you start drilling and blasting to get money from the last end to the main shaft. So that's the difference between the retreat and the advanced method. And we also have the combined. Sometimes we combine the two. Oh, there's no image on that. So I have to take my time and explain this. Sometimes we combine the two. You can also choose to combine the two methods. Whilst in the same mining or in the same underground, you are practicing the retreat and the advanced method. Into one session of the mine, another session, so you are when you blast free a chain and deba. So you can use the two. And now let's look at the simultaneous method of extraction ore body. It's not common. In this method, all the blocks are fully developed on the level to the end of the minefield. That is, the drives and rails are fully driven and completed throughout all the blocks on the level. And stopping is started in all the blocks at the same time or simultaneously. Yes. And also, it's just like the combined method. Any combined method is the same. But you see, for the simultaneous type, if this is the shaft, let's go to the diagram. If this is the shaft, now say, yeah, you see, this method is the retreat method from this session now. Retreat means we are from the far end and then we are coming to the shaft. It is done at the same time. So as I was saying, the simultaneous is just like the combined method. It's just like the combined method. We don't do it at the same time. Whilst we are advancing, so it's a combined method, but say you so advanced, any home boom at the same time. But I don't know, say you have one session a year home now. We don't go to the advance. If you are at the advance, we don't go to the home. But if you are using the simultaneous, it means that you are doing the two of them at the same time. And if you are doing that, you have to make sure that your rock is very competent. If the rock is not competent enough, you can't practice that. This method is again used to increase the stability of the stope blocks on the same level. Yes, you have to make sure that the rocks are very, 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 very competent. Else, it might fail you. Thank you very much. I'll end my presentation here. If there's any question, you can ask. If there's no question, I would like to close the class. Then we continue to move